Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make milkshake without milk, full guide. Start by choosing a base like almond milk, oat milk, coconut cream, or chilled water with a thickener. Measure ingredients precisely and use frozen fruit for texture. Blend in stages, tasting as you go. Adjust sweetness with honey, maple, or a sugar substitute. Chill glasses beforehand and serve immediately for best texture and flavor. Choose your base according to desired richness and dietary needs. Coconut cream delivers full-bodied texture, while oat or almond milk provides a lighter profile. Frozen banana adds creaminess and natural sweetness, replacing dairy mouthfeel. For ultra-thick shakes, blend in 1 to 2 tablespoons of nut butter or a pinch of xanthan gum. Remember to pulse and check texture so you do not overblend and warm the shake. Experiment with flavor combinations to make dairy-free shakes exciting and familiar. For a chocolate option, combine cocoa powder, a banana, and a splash of brewed coffee for richness. For fruit-forward shakes, use frozen berries and a small squeeze of lemon to lift the flavors. Add extracts such as vanilla or almond and warming spices like cinnamon to round out sweetness without adding extra sugar. Garnish for visual appeal and serve immediately.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.